this is the one we're doing. You want to open it?
Yeah. Dad, you don't have to look at it. Waterfall. Okay.
This is just the topping, so that's for later, and then these two.
Water. Be careful.
You need 1 scoop of water.
1 scoop of water. This time Dad's gonna help out.
1 scoop of water. Ah! Okay.
He spilled it, Daddy. On here.
Yeah, put it in there.
Now we
Now you mix it really good.
really good.
Smells good.
Wait, yeah. He dripped us a little bit.
I know.
I was gonna eat it. It tastes like grape medicine.
Like grape medicine? That's not good. Unless it's good grape medicine. Is it good grape medicine?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on.
Get out a spoon. Okay. Now mix it.
Using color.
It's turning to pink. Daddy, that's like a purple slime too.
It's like fluffy, huh?
So fluffy. Is that way ready?
I think it's ready. You want? Wait, we gotta add our one more. So with this one, we add it into here. Oh look, it's a little man. Hold on. He's a little man.
He's like, help me! Okay, let's go taste this.
Let's see what these are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, get some candy on it.
Yeah, but these are even bigger.
Yeah. Can I have one?
Go, Daddy.
Let me see. I want some right there. Whoa.
Eat it.
Whoa.
Dad, eat it right now.
It's like the Pop Rocks sparkly candy with the
Pop rocks.
grape. The foam. The foam's good.
Big piece. Watch out for your camera, Daddy.
Almost done. You're fast.
You say again.
So good, huh?
Careful, always finished.
Already done? Video's over?
Yeah. And that was quick.
Is that good? What's better, this one or the slime?
Everything.
Are you liking the same?
It's everything. I like everything.
You like all the candies?
That's it's gonna be 10.
Oh, the sugar's kicking in? Is that the sugar kicking in? And then hide. Are you gonna hide? Where are you going? Oh no, she's going away. That's her outro.